Me I warn you, you know. Everywhere them go, them want run things. Run some things. Yard beat no stoop to queens nor kings. Tough chest or hot wings. Him a warn you, you know. Let go the badness. You hear him a warn you. Let go the badness. Yard beat.
MMR. Make money records to life. You me told you about right now. Yard with me there. We'll give them some flashback now. Most. Remember them tune ya? You hear me told you stop do this a dramatical act. You hear me told you stop make man wine. Woo! You hear me told you keep on pants take off frack. You hear me told you. Another yard beat. Make them know. Say man I no silly billy. No girl can't call me so. Me no silly billy. Pan the girl them ends me a go. Me no silly billy. Breeze a blow time chilly just pass me for. How again?
Yes, dear.
Can't get a girl if you were ride a tricycle, maybe get a one. If you were ride a bicycle, a fee of a car fee and 40 girl spar. Well, you a hear me? Yard beats up what me go so irks. I me go drive up in a me Mercs. And a boy on him bicycle girl splurt. She run, come tear off my pants and my shirt. Me don't tell them say bicycle thing it now. 1999 them thing they come out of my mouth. You hear me told you? Yard beat for life.
What are the Warrington from Clarendon? Hold it!
You know we endorse it to the fullest. I know so Dallas represent for Yardbeat and Yardbeat represent for Dallas and Jamaica represent for Yardbeat and the whole acre. Present it to the fullest. You never know so we stop to the top. Never flop invasion. Outer space, you name it. Google this.
She tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronix. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. And she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile.
Fire Carter, you have Bill Cosby, you have Fire Rats, you have Butter Blip, or you have a selector name. Fire Links, bring the youth, and you will do a whole heap of damage road. The youth never need Fire Links, they do a whole heap of damage road. That one I need it.
Yo, move along the man, let me get to work.
Fire Cherokee ones, them got money pull up. See, them got whole heap of money. Bill Gates, bigger than 7 on the 18th of October. Get him upset that name right now and again. So, bigger than 7, big them right now. See, I'm no Monday, every time of Monday, I'm going to say, H move on the roof. Red Bull is coming right now. See, big 14th anniversary, 16th November, it's not to the world. Leave some good life. Big up yourself. The 4th of October. You know what I mean when I'm support getting I see you coming like the sun, anytime it bust anywhere in Jamaica, remember say I'm me fussing the airplane. Big up the people that I love and respect your friend in their life. Big up all the way I'm already, don't procrastinate. Big up the people that I don't say hard working as a survivor. Listen to something. We're Kelly now. Kelly, big up your independent self. All of the girls that are independent must be a black cover. You don't want to get ear, you don't want to get dress, you don't want to get Chanel cologne, you don't want to get roll-on. The man that know you have your own money in your pocket must be a black cover. You're rotting head. You see when I play that song in a Kelly party fashion night down, everybody will leave. Push them hand deep in their pocket. But everybody will straight.
I'm just a privilege sucker. No father life. My mind like this is when I
All the way man Senegal school must be a black for your mother. Kenny, sit up your bus and black. No that can't stop your bus and black. But my dirty bitch can't stop your bus and black. All you keep the rich dead now. Everyone is straight and clean bus and black. And turn and you can't hear bus and black. You know living in the streets. So show me your papers, you bus and black. You know that boy things bus and black. You know like when they sing so around. Every night, every month, you know what you want. You know what you want. Everybody now. You can't tell nothing man stop watch you. And never you and them walk to the airport when they call you from America. And the first thing them talk about things here come here come dead for hungry. Look at you on the road Robin now, you just go out with things and pray what people want to move at home. All of the people ever know see enough bad things them talk about you. Don't ever see me again and tell you. Guilty my bunch me out in the house. I shot me out when I shot them and jump to the new
We have to say thanks to Father God, He make it possible. Big up Kelly Upsetter, you don't know Kelly, you did it again. Yeah, big up to my two kids and big up my husband in Canada, you don't know him. It's all good, you love your bad.
This is our birthday present to you.
Happy birthday,
Never talk to about this party. What more?